Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd just like to share with you a review on this pair of Habbot boots in the style Black Serra. This is the first time I'm buying from this company, which is based in Melbourne in Australia. The shoes are all made in Italy. Their pricing is on the slightly higher side, but because my last pair of boots I bought from Windsor Smith, the European collection, I was very disappointed with. It only lasted me one season and the sole is already breaking down. So I do hope with this pricing will come a better quality as well. The leather feels quite nice and sturdy, as well as the composition is generally quite, I feel, is on the better quality than my last pair of boots. And the inside of the shoe is also leather lined, it's quite smooth. The style is quite simple but classic, so I feel it will go well with almost anything, which is what I want from a pair of boots. The top of the boot is very soft, which is what you want because you certainly don't want boots that scratches your leg. And the leather lining does feel very luxurious. And I'm hoping that the leather lining does make it a bit sturdier than my previous pair of boots, which is just lined with polyester. The heel does look quite well made as well and quite sturdy, and I do like the attachment of a rubber toppy to the leather soles, making it less slippery in wet weather. Now, I'm not an expert in examining the craftsmanship of a pair of shoes, but certainly this in my hand feels a lot sturdier than my last pair of boots. Now, putting on, it's a very comfortable pair of boots. The heel height is just right, not too high, not too low. It is very comfortable. The leather feels very soft against my feet, and the sizing is perfect as well. Apart from recommending the particular styles for narrow, wide or regular feet, the company also offers try-at-home packs that you can try a few pairs of shoes and decide which pair to keep. So that's it, guys. If you like my video, please consider subscribing to my channel or pressing like. That would be great. See you next time. Thank you.